That's rubbish. We need to protect the marine environment and don't litter. Thank you, Captain Kiki. Here is your reward. Yeah, you've got a piece of the ship. All pieces of the sailboat have been collected. Keep sailing. Let's go. This is the service station. Steer your ship inside and have it checked. There is a hole in the hovercraft. It's leaking. Let's fix the hole. The hole is fixed. Let's inflate the hovercraft. Our ship has been repaired. Here is your reward. Wow, you've got a sticker. Treasure Island is right ahead. Keep going. There is a storm. Be careful. Steer the ship to the nearest port. Watch out! The storm is getting stronger. The storm is even stronger. Let's speed up. Yeah, we are at the port. Tie the rope and secure the ship. You are safe from the storm. Here is your reward. Wow, you've got a sticker. Treasure Island is right ahead. Keep going. The treasure is on that island. Let's go for it. Us there. Let's dig it out. Oh, the treasure chest is not here. Oh, the treasure chest is not here. Oh, the treasure chest is not here. Aha! We have found the treasure chest.